Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Vercel to deploy UI updates safely, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Vercel website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once you're logged in, access your dashboard. Select the project you want to authorize for deployment. In the project settings, look for the Integrations tab. Click on the Add Integration button. From the list of available integrations, choose the appropriate one for your workflow. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the integration to your project. After the integration is set up, return to the project settings. Locate the Environment Variables section. Click on Add Variable to set up any environment variables needed for your deployment. Input the variable name and corresponding value, then save it. Next, ensure that your local development environment is set up with the same variables. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the command to build your project for production. This process ensures that the latest updates are prepared for deployment. Once the build is complete, push your changes to your version control system. After pushing, head back to your Vercel dashboard. Your project should automatically trigger a deployment. Monitor the deployment progress for any errors or warnings. Once the deployment is successful, visit the specified URL to verify the updates. If everything looks good, your UI updates are now live. For future updates, repeat this authorization and deployment process as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.